Hello, everyone.
Today, I will show you how to use YiLuProxy proxy in YiLuProxy browser to finish surveys and make money.
Firstly, configure YiLuProxy settings as shown video.
Then select rotating residential IP, select the first format, and the number of generating IPs. Then select a location, here I use zip code target, 90,001.
Then the location will be automatically selected.
Refresh. Right-click an IP and copy.
If you want to make more money, you can use multi-account for surveys. Here I only create a browser profile as an example.
Fill in profile name, select operating system, browser version.
And I set the survey website as the default homepage.
Then select SOCKS5 or HTTP.
Click the paste button. Then check the proxy. If the green IP information appears, that means the proxy network is working. Then save. Run the browser profile. Let's check the IP address. The location of the IP may be a little different from the one chosen. Then create an account for surveys. We need an email. Here I use Proton Mail. You can check the video about how to create multiple Proton Mail accounts on the top right. Then enter the email address and a password. Click Sign Up. Then enter your name, gender, zip code, and birth date. Then verify your email. Now you can start to finish these surveys and make money. For more money, create multi-account and finish more surveys. Using YiLuProxy and YiLuProxy can prevent accounts from being associated and banned. Okay, the video is over. Thank you for watching and subscribing.